Hello, Stampers. I'm Kelly Acheson at astampabove.com coming to you from Menasha, Wisconsin. Today for my Wait, What? Tip video, I've been getting a lot of YouTube questions lately, and I thought maybe it would be helpful if I just showed you very briefly how to navigate some of these things. Also, questions where maybe you've watched a video and I did some dry embossing and now you can't find the video. There's a really easy way to find those on my YouTube channel. I'm also going to give you some helpful hints if you're a subscriber to my blog and those videos don't always work. That's something that I don't really have any control over, but it's something that you can easily resolve. So let's move over to my computer and I'll show you some of these tips. Okay, I've got just a few things that I want to show you, and they have to do with YouTube. So I have YouTube saved in my favorites bar. Otherwise, you can just type YouTube and it'll come up. So when you're on YouTube, let's say that you have a question. I've gotten a lot of questions lately where people say, Kelly, that one technique you did with XYZ, where can I find that video? So you're going to go to YouTube and you're going to do a search for Kelly Acheson. Then you're going to click on me. Yep, that's me. And then you're going to see 4 videos here. And I think your screen will be the same as mine. You want to click on videos because that's going to bring up a whole bunch of videos. So here are a ton of videos that I have. And you can look back and go, oh, there's that little box. So I usually put on the cover photo on my videos what is in them. And so you'll see that. You can find techniques. You can find my Facebook Live replays. There's all kinds of great stuff in here. And this is how it's easy for you to go back and look at the photo and say, oh yeah, there's the daisy cards I was looking for. So that's an easy way for you to look up videos when you can't remember where they were. Just type my name in, go to my channel, and click on videos. Then the next thing I wanted to tell you about was when I talk about, you'll find a link
At RX Bar,
to my blog in the details. Here's the details. And when you click show more, there's actually a whole bunch of links under there. So each video that I make, I put in my blog address, I put in my online store, put in my Paper Pumpkin where you can subscribe to Paper Pumpkin. Here's my Facebook business page, my Pinterest page, and my Instagram. Then down below that, you're going to find links to all the products that I used in the card that I made with the video. So you can click on these and these will take you right to the details for the stitch shape framelit dies, for example. The other thing that you're always going to find here is usually the first thing I put under a video is details. When you click on that, that is going to take you directly to the post for that particular video where you're going to find all the details and the card photos that I made with dimensions. So that's why when I say in my video, you'll find the dimensions on my blog, you're going to find them right here where you can easily see what you need to cut to recreate these projects. There's also templates on there. So that's another nice feature about YouTube is that I can put all this information under every one of my videos. The other thing I wanted to tell you, if you haven't noticed, when my videos start, there's an ad, and after about 4 to 5 seconds, you can come over here and click on skip ad, and then you're going to get right to the video, so you don't have to watch those ads. And the other thing I wanted to let you know about, when you are a subscriber to my blog, you will get every blog post that I put on my blog in an email. What happens a lot of times is you'll get your email. I'm opening up an email. I'm a subscriber, and it talks about a video. It doesn't even show the picture here for the video. But if you ever do see a video and it doesn't work, I usually try to remember to put, if the video above doesn't play, click here to watch it on my blog. Sometimes I forget to do that. But if it talks about a video or shows a video, but when you click on it, it doesn't work, all you need to do is go to my blog. And how do you go to my blog? You just click on a stamp above or the title of the blog post, and that will take you directly to my blog where you will find the video. So that's something that I really appreciate, you guys, when you leave me a message, a comment, or email me and say, hey, Kelly, your link isn't working for this, or you forgot this. I thank you so much because I appreciate the help. Sometimes all these details can get a little overwhelming, but one of the things that I hear most frequently is the video won't play. Again, just click on the title of the blog post in your email, and that'll take you right to my blog where the videos most of the time will play. If you find it doesn't play there either, please let me know so I can get that fixed right away. I hope these tips have been helpful for you. If you guys have any other questions or comments, you can leave them either on my YouTube channel in the comments under the videos, or you can always feel free to pop me an email at kelly@astampabove.com. Thanks so much for taking a little time out of your day to watch my video. Bye-bye.